Are you struggling to write an essay? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people find it challenging to put their thoughts into words in a structured and cohesive manner. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Chatgpt to write an essay step by step. We will start by generating catchy introduction using the model, and then we will move on the main steps of the essay writing process. With the help of ChatGPT, you will be able to write an essay that is well structured, engaging, and effective. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. The first step in writing an essay is to choose a topic. This can be a challenging task, especially if you don't have a specific topic in mind. But don't worry, ChatGPT can help you with that too. Simply provide the model with a few keywords related to your interests or the subject you want to write about, and it will generate some topics ideas for you. For example, let's say you want to write an essay about the benefits of exercise. You can input keywords like exercise, health, and wellness into the ChatGPT bar, and it might suggest topics like the importance of regular exercise for overall health or how exercise can improve mental health. Once you've chosen a topic, the next step is to create an outline for your essay. This will help you organize your thoughts and ensure that your essay flows logically. ChatGPT can assist you in creating an outline by suggesting main points and subpoints for your essay based on your topic. For example, if your essay is about the benefits of exercise, ChatGPT might suggest main points like physical health, benefits of exercise, and mental health. Benefits of exercise and subpoints like reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improved mood and reduced stress. The introduction is a crucial part of your essay as it sets the tone for the rest of the piece of hooks the reader's attention. ChatGPT can help you generate a catchy introduction by providing you with a few different options based on your topic. For example, if your essay is about the benefits of exercise, ChatGPT might suggest introductions like, "It's no secret that exercise is good for you, but did you know that it can improve not only your physical health, but also your mental well-being or in today's fast-paced world? It's more important than ever to take care of our bodies and minds. One way to do that is through regular exercises." The body paragraphs are where you will elaborate on the main points and subpoints you outlined earlier. ChatGPT can also write these paragraphs by suggesting relevant information and supporting evidences for each point. For example, if your essay is about the benefits of exercises, as we mentioned before, ChatGPT might suggest information like, according to the American Heart Association, regular exercise can reduce the risk of heart disease up to 35%, or studies have shown that exercise can release endorphins in the brain, which can improve mood and reduce stress. The conclusion is where you will wrap up your essay and leave a lasting impression on the reader. ChatGPT can assist you in writing a strong conclusion by suggesting a few different options based on your topic. For example, if your essay is about the benefits of exercise, ChatGPT might suggest conclusions like, "In conclusion, exercise is not just good for our physical health, but also for our mental well-being. By incorporating regular exercises into our lives, we can improve our overall quality of life." Or exercise is a powerful tool that can help us stay healthy, happy, and resilient. So why not make it priority in our lives? Which brings us to the end of the video. Thank you folks for watching, and to the next.